Just pour cooking oil over coffee grounds. Since I discovered this technique, I haven't had to spend money again. Try it, and this problem won't come back. For this tip, add 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds to a container. We'll also need to add 250 milliliters of water. Room temperature water works perfectly. You can also use used coffee grounds for this trick. The effect will be the same. Once that's done, mix well. This trick is simply amazing. I'm sure you'll love doing it at home. Next, grab a glass container and pour the mixture into it. I learned this tip from an aunt who lives in the countryside. She was dealing with the same annoying problem we all face at home. Then she taught me this amazing recipe, which solved my problem. And remember to rate this trick from 0 to 10 at the end of the video so I know if you liked it too. Look at how amazing it's turning out. The benefits of this trick are wonderful, and you'll love discovering them in just a moment. After adding the mixture, take some cooking oil and pour it over the coffee and water until the container is nearly full. You can use used oil if you prefer. It doesn't have to be new. Before adding the oil, let the mixture rest for about 5 minutes. I love doing this trick, and at home, I've never had these problems again. Now, let's move on to the next step. We need a candle. With the help of a knife, carefully remove the wick. Have you ever tried making a candle like this at home? Without a doubt, it's one of the best tricks I've learned. Besides lasting a long time, it's super economical. After that, get an aluminum cap. The ones that come with glass bottles are perfect. The important thing is that it's aluminum. Make a small hole in the center and thread the candle wick through it, just like I'm doing. And it will look like this, see? Once that's done, place the cap with the wick in the middle of the container. It will look like a candle. Now, just light it, and the problems will disappear. You might be asking, but what problems? I'm talking about those with mosquitoes, gnats, wasps, bees, and other flying insects. We all know how irritating these insects are. Especially on hot days, they take advantage to bother us. Without a good insect repellent, the situation can become troublesome. But here we have a powerful insecticide, made with ingredients that everyone has at home. I doubt you'll have problems with mosquitoes after this. This tip repels any type of flying insect, even cockroaches, since they can't stand the smell of burning coffee. I hope you liked it, and let me know what you think. See you in the next video.